Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds d and r. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the d sound in the word damp, damp, damp. Now the r sound in the word ramp, ramp, ramp. Now I will use them both in a sentence. The ramp is damp. The ramp is damp. The ramp is damp. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!